welcome back to the channel. And I'm Viggy. And ich mache Yiddish Shabbos music. Mostly of Yiddish. If I'm about to the video, please consider give me hit the like button. Het gaat al een riesige week. En die wil er zelf van de channel. By becoming a member, yeah, by hit them join button.
Hashem shir chodosh Shiri Hashem kaloret Shiri Hashem barchi shemoy Asri meyoim leyoim yeshi yusoy
Ich krijg eerlijk weer dan wacht ik erin. It's out met them. We are here. Na 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 Hashem ilal meyoim. The candles can be repetitive, but this is how you build it. This is how you get the vibe on the outside, as they Asher bo Yiranani Karatzayuan Ifnai Hashem Kivu SG. Hello and welcome. Get near the Shabbos, get near the weekend. How was your week? Treffen wir sich noch einmal doen. Definitely, SG. Aren't we blessed? Als jeder 7te Tag kann man nehmen einen Rest. Wenn man will hoben Gitte Company, kann man Gitte Guest. You know what I'm saying? Halleluja. Shoys hasira miad shuve yatsihilaim oy zri alatzal ye kel Yisrael simcho versucht es jede Woche sind nicht gechillig wie die Halsen im Leben aber du bist aufgewachsen mit einer certain vibe is a shoot das aufzugehen. So wie ein Muscle. Ja, das ist schon. Warte nicht heraus alles, weil die Wahrheit etwas heraus. Hashem Yeshiu v'sam einay agoyim gilutzit kusoy oy zochar chaz mene nusoy oy meides luhua oy rui galaf sayo b'badet sahay nishiyaz veloy kayeli Lashem Let's go for all the likes. Appreciate you. YG. Hello and welcome. Get native Shabbos, get native weekend. How you doing? Wie Sie gewähnt am Wach? Yom Shishi Sameach, exactly. Shofar. Lifnai HaMelech Hashem Yiramayo Vavim Elohim Is het okay, maar feelt niet de vibe die Woche. Oder feels das Jahr. In vorige Woche ist es nicht gefühlt. Oder feels das jetzt und nächste Woche ist es nicht viel. Es ist okay. Oh ja, Chad Hurim Yiranayani Livnai Hashem Moshe v'Aaron Moshe v'Aaron Yishmiyai l'koira v'Yishmoi Jetzt Pate Bachlieb Koili Yeni Malali lava voiso. Feel with this the original drops in the music, if you know what I'm saying. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 oy Lashem, Lamoyim, Kaila Kuvoy, Didididim, Avashem, Amadim Rabim, Koy Lashem, Bakoya, Koy Lashem, we bear Yehudo, we Koy Lashem. What? One of the reasons for Musik Magde Fanatic Live is if somebody that is leaving, for whatever reason, is a sach mo do the idea, ma darf alles uploaden. Sometimes you have to separate yourself. But if it's not a must, separate whatever you want to separate. In the andere Sachen, don't give up. So we going to a gym. In nicht lieb the gym, in aufgeben Gym in Ganzen. But also ich lieb the gym. Versus, dus geht zu a zweite Gym. Das ist selbe Sache. Strauss is fine. Oy 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 mechovamoya Gedi las yeminchu Dati Sereru Tabai Rina Samcho Visag Vaini Taharayni
asin kudoy beroif tivchu nay adu zechu
Music Manning. Hello and welcome. Get Martin. Get native Shabbos, get native weekend. How you doing? Wir singen eine Woche. Esther. In sie getreue, Schwester. Hello and welcome. Get native Shabbos. Sitting Judaism is not my vibe. I did not grow up with it. My Holocaust survivor mother feared they were going to get targeted for walking to shul. Observe Shabbos in... Oh. But, you know, you're welcome here. Nobody's picking you up. But welcome. Even if you weren't raised with it. Meaning, if you can tap in to their vibes, though. Welcome, you know? Di-da-da-da. Esther, I think I connect with you when you grow up a certain Hasidus, and then you go to another one and you hear songs that you never heard in your life. It takes a thing to connect with. So I get it. Esther, how was your week? How are you feeling? With what type of things are you spielen? Music Manning, you as well. How you doing? Toby the Dove. How you doing? You fit right in like a glove. How you doing? My vibe completely growing up, even though I am in a different universe nowadays. Yes. You left the universe, but don't mean you cannot be attached to certain things, you know? Life is so hectic and busy. Nice music. I hope in a good way. I hope in a good way. You know, Toby, when people leave certain, you know, mit wo sie dann aufgewachsen, they're sometimes scared to connect with something because then it's like a trigger. They think they have to come back. Like I remember a few years ago, someone told someone that he's getting dressed for Purim, and the other guy was like, "What? I thought you left." And the other guy was like, "Yeah, but I can still be festive. I don't have to leave everything, if you know what I'm saying." Exactly, Toby. No difference. It's a muscle. Or you develop it when you're young and you grow up with it, or you check in. Thank you, Music Manny. Thank you for your kind words, my man. Thank you, Toby. Thank you. Hello. And obviously I don't judge if somebody left everything. Sometimes you need to detach to find new attachments. But be careful what you leave. You know what I mean? Sorry, I'm don't vibe. No worry. Esther. Don't vibe with Hasidim. Yeah. But even if you're growing up in a different vibe, you could still try to connect to a certain vibe. It takes time, but you know what I'm saying? Yankee T, getting there of Shabbos E, how you doing? Is it getting wach? How you doing? I wouldn't know, but I like it too much. Yankee, this is nicht like the no fadir. Like the no fadir. I feel like everyone figures out their own Judaism in either way, for those who stay and those who leave. Exactly, music. But du hast gesagt, wenn einer geht weg, droppt alles. Even the things was can beneficial to him. In ich red von feelings, ja. It doesn't have to be true. There's the Sache mit feelings. But you can still tap in. Wie viel Mal hört man eine Story ab, ein Soldier hat durchgewachsen der Hose und er gehört, wie sie singen und er hat sich connected, weil er ist aufgewachsen damit. Music Manning, ich will immer geht nicht weg, jeder einer hat sich sein Level of Yiddishkeit. Dort, you know, jeder einer hat sich sein Threshold. Wie halt Sachen, wie tit Sachen, you know what I'm saying? Da 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 yo 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 di 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 da 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 oh yo yo ya ya hey shayi ve salahi ko I feel like I used to that way years ago, and those who left. Today you can be observant and do your thing. Yes. Is it darf euch auch, solange es dit nicht war, ja, zweiten, das doch für keinem nicht maßbar sein. Really. Ich bin Yiddish guy, 100%. Nice, heißt the Yiddish and the Shumma, huh? That time I was there on Friday, probably old enough. Viggy's grandmother. But a great grandmother. The grandmother I never had. So thank you. Let's go with it. Go on it, Toby. It's also the people that leave sometimes feel like if I do something, people around will think, oh, ich bin zurückgekommen, it's a stigma. And I think we should ignore that. You should ignore that. Because die weiß, was sich bei dir. Keiner weiß, was sich bei dir. It's normal zu wählen heranfitten. I just want to say that. Es ist nicht normal. Es ist 100% normal zu wählen heranfitten. Toby, it's a generational pretzel. A time slippage. Shuchi. There's an aspect of us that never leaves. Yes. Oh, yo, 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 what gets buried in the heart? You know what I mean? Oh, yo, nafshi lebe Eloki oh yo 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 elekai lchoi hoy tamu nafshi lebe Eloki oh yo 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 elekai lchoi hoy mu sai mu sai Oy vey ayru Oh yo 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 ibn abaya nagiki Oy musa Oy vey ayru Oh yo 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 ibn Bishivisi Yashem Liyikusi Bishivisi Yashem Liyikusi Bishivisi Yashem Liyikusi Bishivisi Yashem The market is open. Wenn die Hörst anlegen, so wie wir machen, so der Herr, meint es, dass er gibt in der Herz. You know what I'm saying? Wenn keiner sucht, den ich schon mal drauf machen, also. Exactly, Esther. One has nothing to do with the other. You do what you can. And you can what you do. Don't do what you can what you do. If that's, if holding is your, observing Shabbos is your thing, and you want to get better at it, just mach kleine changes. Darf ich werden Moshe Rabbeinu, and you're not Moshe Rabbeinu. Get what I'm saying?
Oy 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 da lukay lov khoyker bravo vonia khad koich ve boyker oy oy da lukay lov khoyker bravo vonia khad koich ve boyker oy da lukay lov khoyker bronia khad koich ve boyker oy da lukay lov khoyker Bran ya khad koich ve boyke
Yim tsu miki shaites betali zitaw boy teifes kemoy kalu meki shaites oy tu
Geht. Nochmal ganz der. Mastermind. Get near the Shabbos, get near the weekend. How you doing?
Get Shabbos.
Mastermind.
Oh, yo, mo.
Wie singen wir in der Woche? Mastermind. Oh, yeah. Ay, Mayam. Oh, yeah, Let the vibe totally take you here. Let it sink in. As if it was gonna lines in the shower or other lines in the car, Nice, Mastermind. That's what we like to hear. Heilige Shabbos, Heilige Shabbos, Heilige Shabbos, Heilige Shabbos. Dididoi, mama moi, mama moi, mama moi, mama moi, mama moi. Dididoi, mama moi, mama moi, mama moi, mama. Oh, your mama, oh, your mama, oh, your mama, oh, mama, da 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 yeah yeah. Get Shabbos, get Shabbos, get Shabbos, get Shabbos. Oh yo. Azar Khamina Neginam. Mach mir, wenn ich so jealous meine. Jealous is the wrong word, but ich kann nicht kein anderer Wort. Ich werde jealous, wenn der ernstige Mann, wo es wohnt in einem Basement oder, you know, zweiter Stock, hat nicht gut, nicht kann äußern, nicht kann, just ein regular Mensch, oder ein mimesdiger Mensch, und singt den nicht in ihm, fertig, like, ja, besser wie der scheine größere Hose, wie der Roshakul, wie der größere Äußer, wo es hat Fisch herangeflogen von Sweden or whatever. In scheine Wannen mit herrlichen Flowers. Killer. Ich bin schon gewähnt bei beiden. Heilige Shabbos. Ja, der Oischer, der Dees hat auch eine schönere Hose und größere Sachen mit allen feinen Gittermaßes. Aber nicht, du kein Herz. Du kein Herz. You know what I mean? Oh, yeah, mama. Yeah, mama. Oh, yeah, mama. Deze zijn de zaken waar het geld target. I know someone, wenn er umgehoben machen Geld, die gewinnt alle Gittersachen in the house. The money started getting to his head. Disaster. In sich nicht geschämt, wir laufen in der Gassen. Warum wir schreien, oh yeah.
Shabbos, heiliger Shabbos.
Thank you, Mastermind. Congratulations to you guys. Everybody, thank you for pressing the button. It's nicht the size from the hose. Sometimes more is less. Sag mal, man just Herz. Vielleicht essen bei Menschen, die so literally gegeben der Fisch in Samenplate. Hat literally gehabt weniger Fisch wegen mir. But der Herz gewesen so huge that I enjoyed every minute being there. Und dann bin ich gewesen bei Haser wie Fische gewesen, alle meine Sachen, was ich kein Herz. Scheine Wallpaper, scheine Pictures, scheine herrliche Chandelier, herangeflogen von Belgium. Man gewahrt 8 Gaduschen auf dem. Man gewahrt eine Special Company zu kommen in aufhängende Chandelier. Aber wenn man aufgehangene Chandelier hat man ein rausgeregte Herz. Oh ja, oh ja, man will say Yossi Gold. Hello and welcome. Get to the Shabbos, get to the weekend. How you doing? It's all you know. Herz kann man nicht faken. You know what I mean? Sehen wir der Herzlich. Thank you so much. Ja, 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 ja. Did the boy to say no yam do sign. Oh yeah, sharai so nei khubo. Bigger the house. The bigger the house requires the full balloon. Ooh, get Yossi, exactly. That's the man. I don't want to claim that. I don't want to say you from the brookside. It's not about me. This is not a sach mo verliert man the picture of life. I'm is busy mit der shine hose mit a buffet. Ich habe gesehen, wie einem ganze Life wird upside down wegen einem Buffet. Bis es umgekommen in der Hose. Heavy. Man hat es herangeschleppt. Man hat es getut, scratchen, der Floor oder der Wand. Es ist endlich umgekommen, noch 6 Geduschen warten, der Tiere gewinnt zu brauchen. Ungekackt, der ganze Sache. Wer ist auf ein Buffet? Ja, geht zeig hier, kauf 14 Buffets. Ja, ja. Okay, ja, Exactly, Esther. Sometimes more is less, and less is more. Als de Shabbos wird wegen der Wahn in de scheine Bänkler, kostet a scheine Wahn in scheine Bänkler. But Sipik, Herz, zero. And then be careful what you wish for, because you might actually get it. Well, some people music, they definitely do. They definitely do. Very few, but takes a lot of work. Music, so nicht about the size from the hose. I hope you get it. Just usually a größer hose, a shiner hose shows something. We had a little cottage in the country. How lovely those days and weeks were. Exactly. Those old days. Esther, if you close your eyes, you can go there back, you know, at least feeling-wise. Those who have a mastermind. Good one. Wusste stellst dich, Peter? Ich habe mir gewollt stellen wie George Washington. Aber es ist nicht umgekommen. Meaning, es ist nicht umgekommen zu George und zu Washington. So we'll see. Stell dich mal runter in etwas... Maduro. Toby, the party as of now will start Monday night. Whenever they read the Megillah, I don't know if I'm getting someone to read the Megillah. I don't know. We'll see. But if not, it's gonna be an hour after this man. Whenever you could read the Megillah, an hour later. The people I invited last year, some are not going to be able to make it due to some health situation, which is no good. So I hope I'll be in a good mood, you know? Not in a doubtful mood. Nice, Toby. We appreciate it. Yoim Shekiloi Shabbos L'Sivo Yiseyo Yo Yenecho Vovali Yoim Shekiloi Yoim Shekiloi Hey yo Asher Shalom I want to come not on live. I just hope people will not show up because the guys aren't. It's a nicht party. So wie andere. The guys aren't for the live, so you know what I'm saying? No way, Toby. Why aren't you saying anything? Shekiloi Shabbos, Yoim Shekiloi Shabbos, V'tzivo Yiseyo. Shoy v'loi minis v'yiseyo. Happy birthday. Das ist doch Eltern in Freuden. Gesinnte Juden. Happy years, healthy years, wealthy years in the mind. Asher I know you vine when I is It's for sale. Shoim Ramitz for sale. Moving Chovale. Yoin Shekilo Shabbos. Yoin Shekilo Shabbos. Yoin Shekilo Shabbos. Betzivay Seyo. Tirara Enesom Tomababaim Baino Yevaim Benayim Zeyoim Baino Yevaim Benayim Ra-pa-pa-pi-pi-pi. Ki-ni-noi-noi-noi. I lived in a big house on neighbors that couldn't. Nice, Esther. Yeah. There's two types of parties. There is parties, you know, people could come, and then there is my party on YouTube Live. So that means not too many people should come over. You know what I'm saying? So I want to keep it to a minimum. Oh yeah. Esther, isn't that a good memory? Are you saying it in a positive way, I hope? Yes, hopefully. When I have soup, I'll make a chicken soup. I'll make schnitzel, mashed potatoes, vegetables, steamed vegetables, potato kegel, and we'll see if I go for a dessert. Nothing crazy, but you know. Oh, that is the menu. Very short, nothing. Hopefully, I'll be able to cook everything. Starting Monday morning with a soup, peeling the potatoes, making it ready. I'll make some rice also. If somebody wants rice. I don't know how many people are gonna come, so I don't wanna overcook. Meaning, I didn't invite. Last year was perfect. The amount of people, like 4. I have to be respectful for the place I have. You know, they're bargaining with me. How do you say it? Lending me? They're lending me the place. They're letting me use the space. So I don't want to crowd that space. Nice, Toby. Yes, I'm glad. You know, that's the point. Thank you, Toby, for letting me know that you enjoyed it. It helps out the mood, you know? Because sometimes I think to myself, who wants it? Who needs it? You know? My 5-year-old made Hummeltaschen. Nice. Of course. It helps with some mommy help, but nice. That's sweet, Esther. Avrumi Stern. Hello and welcome. Welkom in Iran. Is er iets van zijn? De homeland, dat zit ik er iets niet eten van Israël. In de embassy daar. Ze kan zijn een fake out, who knows? Avrumi Stern, how you doing? Hello and welcome. Getting near the Shabbos, getting near the weekend. Was gesehen, the US has non-essential staff from Israel. US approves the departure. The non-essential American was arbeiten dort in the consulate oder. Yeah. We might be inching closer to our Queen Esther. That's right. Queen Esther is the best. Shile yoim ha-Shabbos Shile yoim ha-Shabbos Shile yoim ha-Shabbos Shile yoim ha-Shabbos Mizmor Shire Shire 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 yoim ha-Shabbos Pira, oh yeah, mama, mama. After that, we can listen to Yossi Fried. Pira, pira, Shile yoim ha-Shabbos Shile yoim ha-Shabbos Ich hab es nicht du viel auf mein Repertoire Shile yoim ha-Shabbos Mizmor Shire Shile yoim ha-Shabbos
צדיק אתה מוריפו כי ארז בלבו בבונוי נסגר
Why did Penny go separate? What do you mean?
בחצרוי סלויקנו יפריחו
What are you saying? That's when Matas? Because Matas will wachsen himself, you know? Man darf lassen Menschen fliehen. Willst fliehen mit der Plane, willst du nicht bleiben auf der Runway. Ja? Du willst also auf einem fliehen. Avo kodesh
Hashem Yirech Yomi
Oy ahila la 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 di la la di la la Ich habe ungehört mit Matas, aber ich habe es gemacht, sei klar mit dem, that gibt mir Gunisch und ich gebe ihm Gunisch. And whenever he wants to take it on his own, I will be there to help him. You know? I have a public playlist on my channel for Viggy reviews. Verstehe nicht dein Question, Mastermind. Ja, wir kann das schön, schwierig, Kindern ist bei uns, wer ich sage, wir kann das schön, schwierig, wer ich sage, I'm gonna go for another 15 minutes and then we're gonna call it a day. Oh, ich habe keine Ahnung, Mastermind. I don't know. It's okay that he hears those episodes, father. I mean, you know what I'm saying? Hast du deine Opinion? Ich habe meine Opinion. Just listen. Just be free, you know? Nicht liken kann Gates. Oh ja, 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 ja. Ah, mama, mama. Ay, 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 ay. Da, di, da, do. Di, da, da, da. I spielen deze do the next 11 minutes and it will finish off the Friday, okay, Mastermind? Du hast eigentlich musst du so hin, schick mir das und viele so wie fragt, ich darf sagen, a certain vibe. Von mir, you know, nicht alle Neginen sind derselbe Vibe. Oh, boy, you see me. Alright, I'm gonna finish midday song. 11 minutes at him. We're gonna keep it to a close. Shabbos, good Shabbos.
Good Shabbos, good Shabbos. Oy, good Shabbos, good Shabbos, good Shabbos. Lechovod oidi.
Ikras kalo. Shabbos v'nekabelon Lechovod oidi. Toby, thank you so much for being here. Have a lovely and awesome one. See you next on Purim. Hopefully. I'm working towards it, so. Alpha Remix. Hello and welcome. Ik ga je finishen met deze song. Schorg voor de superchat. Schick me das Viggy@gmail. And I'll review it. Ik wil eens fit aan in de criteria of in Fratik, if you know what I'm saying. Hold on, ich meine, ich habe reviewed von der Affila. Hold on. Dei Shabbos, Dei Kabelon, Dei Shabbos, Alpha, die has gemacht, this really green one. Nope. Yigdash melech Melucho
Kumi tzei mitoy chafecho.
I finish midday, okay? Teyi melucho mitoy chafecho Rav lo sheyeyemes ve'imekabocho Ve'hu yachloy olayim lo Sally. Hello and welcome. Good night, Shabbos. Good night, weekend. How you doing? How you doing? Yigdash melech Yimelu melocho Mitoy chafecho Oy Rav loch sheves ve'imekabocho
ושמאל תפרוצי, ואת השם תריצי, ימין ושמאל תפרוצי, ואת השם תריצי, ימין ושמאל תפרוצי, ואת השם תריצי, ימין ושמאל תפרוצי, ואת השם תריצי, אבל ידיש בן פרצי, על ידיש בן פרצי, על ידיש בן פרצי, על ידיש בן פרצי,
ונשמחו ונוגילו,
ונשמחו ונוגילו, ונשמחו
ונוגילו.
ונשמחו
Do I EMA by VWAP, no? Oh, okay. Bei mir steht VWAP 932. Women not allowed?
על ידיש בן פרצי, על ידיש בן פרצי, על ידיש בן פרצי, ונשמחו ונוגילו, ונשמחו
ונוגילו,
ונשמחו ונוגילו, ונשמחו
ונוגילו. Die, die, die. Die, 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 die. Die, 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 die. Ja, ba, 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 ba. ונשמחו ונוגילו.
אוי ונשמחו ונוגילו. יהי בשלום.
Esther, I don't control the world, Esther. La 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 ho yo ma 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 ya 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 ma boy khalom boy khalom doini likras kalobo la ba 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 no. Look at that view. Rapau, hey, yalla la 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 la, yalla la la la. La 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 la. Did it I la la la. Did it I la 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 la. Cascalo bo bo bo. Melo bo bo bo. Yeah. Pa 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 la 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 ro 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 la 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 ribidi da bidi bidi da ribida Pene Shabbos nene kablo Kodoidi Skalo Shabbos nene Alright, Fevre. Alright. Sie kommen die Zeit. Ich darf sich segnen und ich darf sagen goodbye. Kam nicht easy. But how many times I try? Und ich will sagen, thank you für jeden, so eine lange Zeit, eine kurze Zeit. Vielleicht ist es auch jetzt in eine andere Tab. Ich mache mir YouTube eine Tab, aber warum ich meine dir? Ich will gerne auf alle Likers, Sharers, Commenters, and Subscribers. And especially für Alpha Remix 99 für den Schicken a super chat. I really do appreciate it. Haba Sie ein lechtige Weekend, haba gitten showers, whatever floats the boat. Housekeeping. Ich plan zu machen a Pirem live. I would say an hour noch ins Mann, something like that. Noch wenn man allein the Megillah. I don't think I'll have someone reading the Megillah, meaning I don't have anybody, but oder fange gewoon, wenn man allein the Megillah, ob ich habe einer, was Rebbekim allein in the Megillah, oder man nun haben gleich noch dem, just music in a good vibe. That's all we are asking for. All right, that's basically done with housekeeping, and see you all then. Thank you all for being here, and see you on the next one. And until the next time, stay kind to one another. Peace.
Okay, bye.